150 grams of butter, 300 grams of Galaxy chocolate, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 1 packet of digestives, 250 grams of Maltesers, 300 grams of white chocolate. Melt the butter, chocolate and golden syrup in a saucepan over a low heat. Now that the butter and chocolate is melted, add your digestive biscuits and a couple of handfuls of Maltesers and mix together. Pour the mixture onto a lined dish. Any shape or size will do. Melt your white chocolate in a bowl in the microwave in 30-second bursts and then pour it all over your mixture before adding Maltesers on top to decorate. Allow the biscuit cake to harden in the fridge for a few hours before chopping up into pieces. Enjoy!